take you everywhere I go, everywhere I go. I wanna put you in my pocket, take you everywhere I go, everywhere I go.
Hey guys, Ashley here, and as you guys can tell from the overview and the title, we are doing a fridge and kitchen clean with me. I do hope you enjoyed today's content. If so, please subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you are new, I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get 2 different houses on one channel, which also means 2 uploads per week. So if you're into that type of mojo, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe like I said, and hit the bell so you get notified every single time we upload a brand new video. So the first thing I'm honestly doing, and sorry for my voice, my allergies are kicking my butt right now, but anyways, back to the video. So I'm first going to be clearing the shelves out, so that way I can get to scrubbing those bad boys down, and then after that I will do the drawers, but I like to kind of do it in sections: shelves, drawers, and then the door. So it makes it a lot easier and less stressful for me, and I don't have to take everything all out at once. So yeah. So we're just gonna just stop chit-chatting for now, let you guys enjoy the video for a little bit, throw some music on for you to enjoy with the video, and yeah.
I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes, and now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes, and now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Useless, useless. I'm not choose this, choose this. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes, and now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes, and now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Useless, useless. I'm not choose this, choose this. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless.
am working on the last drawer, which doesn't need much scrubbing down, just a good wipe down. I decided to move to the sink because a lot of the corners had a lot of buildup that I couldn't get out with just spray and a rag, and it just makes everything 10 times easier and way more cleaner, I feel, with just kind of scrubbing it down and then rinsing it out. But I think we're moving along pretty well here. After I am done with the drawers, I actually go to the bottom section of the fridge where, you know, everything falls down, crumbs, liquid, and all that, and give that bad boy a nice scrub down. But I do give you an overview before, you know, before I start scrubbing it down, so you get some lovely befores and afters. We love to do that here on this channel, so you will always get a before and after unless we forget to push record, which is once in a blue moon, but we love to do it because we love to see it ourselves too.
You got me so defeated, I can't address this feeling alone. Wait, I'm staring at the ceiling, rather do this and be on my phone. You put the beat in my heart, the light in the stars. Maybe I'm overthinking now and I don't know where to start. You tear me apart, but in the best way. 'Cause every time you're talking to me, I can't comprehend a word that you're saying. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat. Don't want it to end this way that I'm feeling. I know I want you bad. I know I want you bad. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat, and I want you so bad, so bad. I want you so.
You take away the pressure, pull me from the undertow. And I wanna be in your world. Tell me where I need to go. 'Cause
You put the beat in my heart, the light in the stars. Maybe I'm overthinking now and I don't know where to start. You tear me apart, but in the best way. 'Cause every time you're talking to me, I can't comprehend a word that you're saying. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat. Don't want it to end this way that I'm feeling. I know I want you bad. I know I want you bad. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat, and I want you so bad, so bad. I want you so bad. I know I want you bad. It's like my brain is stuck on repeat, and I want you so bad, so bad.
So I finally moved on to the door section. Now I just wanted to say I did not record me scrubbing these bad boys down because honestly they weren't too bad. All I did was take everything off the shelves and rinse them off quickly under the sink, maybe a little bit of wipe here and there, but that was about it for the shelves. And I just didn't want to take up too much storage on my phone. I didn't want to also use up too much time on the video too, because it would have been it would have just been a fridge clean with me at that point. So yeah. Oh, this little man just walking by. But yeah, so I just want to I do give you a overview of before, and then right after that I give you an overview of after of it all clean. I do have some stuff on the shelf because I was like, oh crap, I'm supposed to be showing them an after effect on this. So at least you still get the befores and afters. Sorry if you guys are a little frustrated with that. I do hope you truly understand.
I know you told our friends I can't take no for an answer. Got me out like a cancer. I guess I pulled the thread, then the whole thing came undone, unraveled into no one. I feel like I'm losing my mind, 'cause I can't even trust myself now. Voice in my head's been too loud, calling
myself now. Voice in my head's been too loud, calling me broken, crazy. 'Cause maybe you're right about the whole thing. I second guess all my instincts. 'Cause what if I'm broken inside? I'm terrified you're right about me.
As you guys can see, we have finally moved on to my little kitchen area. I'm just quickly wiping down the hood vent because it was extremely dusty. My house gets very dusty very quickly. But yeah, so I just wanted to give that a nice wipe down because I noticed it was very dusty up there. But I'm going to be moving on to the left side of the counter over here that you see the paper plates and stuff like that. For anybody new here, in my sink on the left-hand side, that is all clean dishes. On the right is all dirty. That's just how I like to do it on my side of the neck of the woods over here because my counter, as you guys can tell, does not have a lot of space. So this is just what works for me and my family. Like I said, the left is clean, the right is dirty. So if you have a small area like I do in your kitchen, your sink is split, just do it. It works. Less declutter on the counters, and stuff like that. I will also be hand washing dishes, so if you need some motivation to hand wash dishes and you don't have a dishwasher like me, I got that for you guys in today's video.
Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Only you, only you, only you, only you can turn me on. Only you, only you. Love disconnection. Only you can turn me on.
I got a brand new sponge to wash the dishes because the other one got a beating from the fridge. So now is the time to scrub down the dishes, guys. So here is that motivation for you guys.
Swear I would watch the Lakers game even though I don't know basketball from the game we're playing. Yeah, I'm not overcomplicated. You don't have to spin a web with the words you're saying. If you started feeling down, swear that I would take you higher. But you can be the runaround. Maybe I'm just getting tired. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. Sliding up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits. Sliding up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I told myself I wouldn't be here, back in the car on the way to your apartment. I thought by now I'd see it clearer, but what I need isn't the same as what I'm wanting. 'Cause whenever I'm feeling down, I lean right into my demons. Yeah, I wish I could turn around, knowing I'm better off leaving. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch. I just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch. Maybe it's just bad falling for you.
Alright guys, so that will wrap it up for today's video. Here is the clean overview. I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did and you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Sorry, that's the baby. Oh God, lost my train of thought. But I do want to say thank you so much for joining me today and choosing to watch my video, even though you didn't have to. And I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye guys.
Rings. She said to pick her up, but that's a bad call. Timing. I don't wanna regret it when it goes wrong. Yeah, well she's in